I'm from this same city, and basically we are into packaging of for alcohol for beer. But I'm here in the basis of as a consumer, and
Okay.
I'm interested in the various foreign brands which are available here, and seeing all this now, there is no exposure actually of the brands. Seeing out here and getting a taste of all this thing, we come to know ki bhai, what all spirits are available here. And that's the idea of coming for this exhibition. I've been here last year also,
Okay.
but this year is much bigger
Mhm.
than last year.
Yes. So how has your experience been so far?
I've just come about an hour back, but
Mhm.
yeah, it's been good. And some of my friends have created some stalls also.
Oh, nice.
So this Nicobar thing, so it's getting bigger, better, and probably by next year it will be all the more bigger.
We'll have the entire convention center booked then. All three,
Yeah, you
four
are having
pavilions.
just one hall here.
Yes.
I mean, you could do good with because see, the number of people who are drinking alcohol, having alcohol, are increasing.
Hmm.
The young population are people are getting 18, and they are starting to have the drinks, and that is on the uprise. So consumption is increasing. New brands are coming to for the new consumers only. Like for example, a company like Associated Alcohol, which has had which had launched whiskeys earlier, may 50 years, 60 years back, and now they have come up with brands to entice new consumers.
So what's your favorite poison?
Is a single malt, but I don't
Single
see.
malt.
I don't see.
But which is your favorite brand for single malt?
Is Lafroy.
Okay.
Lafroy, Talisker, anything which is smoky and which has a definitive taste is good for me. I'm okay with that.
So
but
far-
I'm getting into rum also, sipping rums. That is also coming up in a big way because India here in we have rum means rum and coke.
Hmm.
So sipping rums are like rum which are going to be had only neat or with little bit of ice or water.
Mhm.
So I'm getting into that thing.
So far, when you've tasted so many things here at the Pro
Not
Wine,
so many, only 3-4 things.
which one would you like?
I like the rum which has been just launched, the Sitara rum. Samsara has also launched coffee. I'm basically being a single malt or a whiskey drinker, but I'm trying to have other
Variety.
palettes also. Yeah, and also this I can say this is a new launch which is coming up, the Stoke beer,
Yes, Stoke beer.
and also this Glenwalk.
So you've tasted three and you've liked all three. That's a
वाले
true,
तो तिनके का सहारा है.
that's a true drinker, yes.